Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the new Kingston sign out by the Norman Manley International Airport. This is the area where the Air Jamaica tail used to be. But the airport authority, the operators of the airport decided to remodel out here. So they put up this sign which says Kingston, and they put up another one that says NMIA, which stands for the Norman Manley International Airport. So guys, what do you think of this sign? It's finished now. Originally they had put up a white sign, and then they had a competition to select an artist to paint it. So as you can see, it's finished. It's a very nice sign, but I'm not sure if this color scheme works for a sign. It just looks like a lot going on with the sign for when you're driving by. But guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. And they also painted this sign, which is the NMIA sign. We'll show you that sign in a bit, but right now we're focusing on this sign, which is the Kingston sign. Very nicely done, I must say. I'm just not sure if when you're driving you'll be able to capture the beauty of the sign, because you're going to be passing it in a few seconds. Okay. In 2025, a bold and culturally rich initiative was launched to reshape the entrance to Jamaica's capital city, Kingston. The Kingston Airport Roundabout Art Monument Project is a visionary collaboration between the public sector and Kingston Creative, a non-profit organization known for turning walls into canvases and streets into galleries across Jamaica and St. Andrew. This new project aims to transform the Norman Manley International Airport Roundabout into a vibrant and iconic cultural landmark that celebrates the soul of Kingston while creating a memorable welcome and farewell for locals and international visitors alike. The centerpiece of this transformation is a striking installation featuring two sets of three-dimensional letters spelling Kingston and NMIA. Each letter stands 6 feet tall and is mounted on a solid concrete base. Initially painted white, these letters serve as a blank canvas, ready to be infused with the stories, rhymes, and heritage of Kingston. The intent behind the installation goes far beyond aesthetics. It is a celebration of place, identity, and the undeniable cultural force that Kingston represents, not only within Jamaica but on the global stage. To bring the vision to life, Kingston Creative issued an open call in late February 2025, inviting Jamaican artists who are both citizens and residents to submit proposals. This opportunity was aimed specifically at those living within the island, reinforcing the project's goal of fostering local talent and grounding the monument in an authentic grassroots perspective. The selected artists would be responsible for completing the mural in a 14-day window, with the task of designing a work that encapsulates the dynamic spirit of Kingston. The criteria for the mural were both ambitious and deeply meaningful. Artists were asked to capture Kingston's distinctive character, from its historic architecture and vibrant urban life to its internationally recognized status as a birthplace of reggae and dancehall music. After a competitive selection process that drew a wide range of responses from talented Jamaican creatives, Matthew McCarthy was announced as the lead artist for the project. McCarthy, a well-regarded visual artist known for his bold style and socially conscious work, was awarded the opportunity to lead the transformation. In the end, as planes descend and visitors arrive, they won't just be stepping into Jamaica, they'll be stepping into Kingston, a city of rhythm, resilience, and relentless creativity. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think of the sign. Leave your comments in the section below. Very nicely done, and normally they have other signs like this, but they paint them in colors. They don't really have artwork like this on them. For instance, in the grill sign, the N is painted in red. The Welcome to Montego Bay sign, each letter is, or the Montego Bay sign, each letter is in its own color. But this one is decorated, as you can see. This one definitely stands out. It's different from the others. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.